Through the years, we have had a lot of requests for making our multipile fur for the existing blimps on the market. And now we made it. This is the fur wind jacket. And this is the fur wind jacket for the Cinela Piano. And I'm pretty happy about how we end up closing this one, because it's a little elastic band and a stopper. And then we have a little tongue in here that prevents that there is coming air or wind inside and disturbing the blimp. So this is how we lock it. We do make it for the piano as well. We make it for the Rycote blimps, the size 3, the size 4 we have. And then we make it for the BBG, which also fits the Cinela Leonard. It's available in black, chroma key green, chroma key blue, and other colors. Check out our form on our webpage. It has been in development through the year and been out with our beta testers around the world. They were very happy with it, and I'm sure you're going to be happy with it too. Check out our webpage for more information and have a windy day.